Do you really know what's in the water you drink every day? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to test your water quality using simple practical methods. Let's get started. Hello friends, here we're gonna have a water test. So we're gonna test three kinds of waters. The first one is distilled water that's unfiltered. The second one is filtered water, and the third one is regular water from the faucet. So we're gonna use two kinds of tests. The first one is using this tester, which measure the quality of the water, and the second method we're gonna use is this liquid to determine the amount of chlorine and other chemicals. So now the first one, let's get the meter, let's turn it on. Okay, so let's test first the okay, let's see. This is for the distilled water. So as you can see, it's 10. Wow, very good. 10 in green. So you have to know that a measure of 50 and below is considered the best for drinking water. So this has 10, which means it has an excellent quality. Let's test the second one, the filtered water. Okay, let's see, 419 in red. Can you see the difference from 9 in green to 419 in red? So that means that water is not, the filtered water is not convenient for drinking. So now let's test the last one with this method, the regular water from the faucet. So let's see the difference. Okay, oh, 437 in red. So that means this water is not good for drinking. Okay, so the first test, this one, the distilled water, was the only one passed the test. So the other two, the filter and the regular water, failed. So now let's do the second test using this liquid to determine the amount of chlorine and other chemicals the water contains. So let's put 5 drops in each one. Okay, now let's wait a little bit to see if the water changed their color. So let's move each one a little bit. This process takes a little bit to, to see the results, but I have done this test before, and this is the result. So you don't have to wait until the water change. So as you can see, this one is the distilled water, it doesn't change the color, it remains clear, which means that this water, the distilled water, is free from chemicals and also is a good quality. So that means this water, the distilled water, passed both tests, the quality of water and the chemicals one. The second one, the filtered water, it failed both tests, and also the regular water from the faucet. In conclusion, the best water for the human body is the distilled water. If you wanna know another topics related to the distilled water, I'm gonna leave the link in the description below. See you.